Hey guys, welcome back to the Egg by Rooftop Garden. My name is Joel. We've had a little bit of problems with aphids this year, and we were kind of hoping to go over what we do here on the rooftop garden to get rid of aphids. Some of the signs of aphid damage are yellowing of leaves or the curling of leaves. So aphids really like to hang out underneath the leaves. So if we look underneath this one, for example, you can see there's a couple of aphids hanging out just right in a clump there. What we do is just simply use some water. We have our hose, we have some good pressure on, not too much, you don't want to damage the leaves, but just enough. And then we'll just use the water to hose off the aphids. Just give it a really gentle one, just like this, and that should wash off all the aphids. And the aphids that have fallen off, they will usually die. So thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you again soon.